We're doing the one sheet challenge. I've got the instructions on the left in a special screen. Down the bottom on the right, I've chosen the one challenge sheet. Step 3, change the ribbon display options. At the top of the window, the ribbon display options are up the top right. Click on that, choose Show Tabs. That hides the commands for each tab part of the ribbon. Step 4, above, also in the window, choose the Customize Quick Access Toolbar button and tick the parts to add. So we tick New, we tick Quick Print, and we tick Spelling. This adds those icons to the Quick Access Toolbar at the top of the window. Step 5, go to the tabs again, and at the end there's the Tell Me bar. Now first of all we have to select cell A1, which I've done, and in the Tell Me bar we type in the word colour with American spelling. The top one is Fill Colour, we choose that. Step 6, down the bottom we choose the Page Layout button, click on that. Step 8, go back to the ribbon and click Show Tabs and Commands to display them again, so we see all our controls again. Now we click Save. At the top I've got the Save icon already in my Quick Access toolbar. If you haven't, you can go to the File tab and then down the side you click on Save.